Here's another knife made by Civivi. Now, what do you think they would name this one? Well, the Kukei. And that it is. It is a little bit kooky. It's got yourself a nice cutout right here. Pops right on out. Has this beautiful blade. Very Japanese. And it is, I believe it is a Japanese design. Got yourself a liner lock right here. I love how they did this liner lock. Look at this, how it unlocks. See, you push that to the side and it lowers. You don't have very many markings on this knife. Just right there. Nice thick blade. I'm in the back of the Toyota Tacoma up here in my local mountains. Very beautiful out here. Just a great place to shoot some nice knife videos, I thought. You have yourself the Civivi logo. I got you guys 15% off on this knife. So check out the links that I placed down there. Highly recommend Civivi knives. This one comes with a really nice pocket carrying case, leather, and every one of their knives comes with a carrying case. Inside the carrying case, you're gonna find the care information, a rag to wipe down your knife, and of course, the fact that they've received quite a few awards. I am very pleasantly surprised with this company. I think this knife would make a really great gift for really anybody. I wouldn't probably put it in the carrying case. It's not like it's gonna scratch up. Really beautiful. And it'd be really easy to resharpen. Not much to say. It's just beautiful, guys. Just absolutely beautiful. Like and subscribe. I'll have more of this content. I'm obtaining a huge Civivi knife collection.